When educators participate in NOAA's Teacher at Sea program, they gain hands-on research experience working at sea with world-renowned NOAA scientists. Teachers then bring new insights back to their classroom across the U.S. But their voyage experience is an individual one. For this weekend, several Teacher at Sea alumni came together to meet one another, to continue their education, and to share their common experience. The Tri-State Region Alumni Workshop offered teachers the chance to make new connections as they shared photos, lessons, and experiences from their trips to sea. And while exploring the Jacques Cousteau National Estuarine Research Reserve, teachers toured the historic Rutgers Marine Field Station, met with top scientists, and delved into their work. Using beach seines, educators got extra close to the hidden organisms of the tidal wetlands. The less hidden local insects got equally close to the teachers. Alumni boarded a floating classroom, and while journeying into the Great Bay Estuary, learned about the natural history and unique ecosystem of the New Jersey pinelands. Afterward, they explored the maritime history and folk art of the Tuckerton Seaport. While they may not have known each other before this weekend together, sharing their common connection provides yet another chance to amplify the experience of the NOAA Teacher at Sea program. As a result, they'll create even deeper impact on classrooms and inspiration for students around the country.